News now from Madhya Pradesh. The Madhya Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister Jagdish Devra, he has sparked a controversy with a remark that the military bows at the Prime Minister's feet. Now, here's how the situation has unfolded. Devra made the comment which was widely criticized, prompting him to later clarify that his words were taken out of context. The opposition, in the meanwhile, Congress has demanded Devra's resignation, calling its remarks disgraceful and unacceptable. The BJP has defended Devra, stating that his comments were being twisted and misinterpreted. Mr. Devra maintained that the Congress had deliberately misconstrued his statement, leading to unnecessary controversy.
यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री जी को हम धन्यवाद देना चाहेंगे और पूरा देश की वो सेना, वो सैनिक उनके चरणों में नतमस्तक है। उनके चरणों में पूरा देश नतमस्तक है। उन्होंने जो जवाब दिया है उसकी जितनी सराहना की जाए, जितना कहा जाए, एक बार उनके लिए जोरदार ताली बजा करके
ये बिल्कुल कांग्रेस गलत तरीके से प्रस्तुत कर रही है और जिन चैनल पर ये इस प्रकार का गलत बयान जो आ रहा है, तोड़ मरोड़ करके जो कहा जा रहा है, वो बिल्कुल गलत तरीके से पेश किया जा रहा है। मैंने जबलपुर के एक कार्यक्रम में सिविल डिफेंस वॉलंटियर्स का एक दिवसीय प्रशिक्षण शिविर था, उसमें मैं सम्मिलित हुआ था और मैंने ये कहा कि देश की सेना ने जो काम किया है ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में, उसकी जितनी सराहना की जाए उतनी कम है और देश की जनता भारत की सेना के चरणों में नतमस्तक है।
And my colleague Niharika Sharma joins us to get us more on this. Niharika, Vijay Shah first, and now the Deputy Chief Minister making those controversial remarks. The BJP there has a lot on its hands at the moment and also gives the Congress, in a sense, an impetus to go after the BJP there.
Yes, absolutely. Deputy CM Jagdish Devra called out for a press conference today in Indore to give clarification about the statement he made for Indian Armed Forces. On his reported statement, Jagdish Devra says that Congress is presenting my statement in a wrong manner. They are altering my statement and they are presenting it in a negative way. According to Jagdish Devra, he mentioned that our Indian Armed Forces has done a tremendous job and a great job in Operation Sindoor, because of which every Indian bow in front of our Indian military forces. But Congress is connecting my statement with PM Modi and sculpting it in a negative way. Also, he said that those who are conspiring should be get into strict hands and strict action should be taken against them. First, as we are talking, Vijay Shah was on their point. They are demanding for his resignation, and now there's Deputy CM Jagdish Devra because of his statement. Now they are demanding his resignation too. But BJP is protecting him by saying that the statement made by Jagdish Devra is represented in a very wrong manner. The statement is being altered, and the Congress politicians are showing it in a different and a negative way. Yes.
Niharika Sharma, thank you very much for getting us all the details.